Why don't you ever want to play hide and seek with seniors at their club? Because good luck when they forget they're playing. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on clubs for seniors. Tip 1. Determine your interests. The first step in finding the right club for a senior is understanding what you're looking for. Are you interested in physical activities, social gatherings, or intellectual stimulation? With an idea of what you desire, you can narrow down your search and find a club that significantly matches your interests. Tip 2. Perform an online search. With your interests in mind, perform an online search to find clubs in your area that cater to those needs. Various websites provide lists and overviews of clubs and organizations specifically geared towards seniors. Tip 3. Ask for recommendations. One of the best ways to find a good and reliable club is by asking the people who already have experience. Chat with other seniors or caregivers in your community and ask for club recommendations based on your interests. Tip 4. Review accessibility. When considering a club, check how accessible it is. This includes its physical location and whether its facilities are designed to accommodate seniors who might have mobility issues. Additionally, consider if the club has online activities or events for those who cannot or prefer not to travel frequently. Tip 5. Consider the costs. Some clubs have membership fees, so it's essential to determine the costs and consider whether they fit within your budget. Tip 6. Check the schedule. Before joining, review the club's event or meeting schedule to ensure it works with your own. Some clubs may meet during the day, while others might have evening events. Tip 7. Meet the members. Visit the club before joining to get a feel for the environment and meet the current members. This will give you a sense of whether you feel comfortable and welcome within the club community. Tip 8. Attend a trial session. Many clubs offer trial sessions or guest passes. Use this as an opportunity to participate in activities and see if they are enjoyable to you. This will aid in making a more informed decision. Tip 9. Look for variety. To keep things exciting and engaging, opt for a club that offers a variety of activities. This might include a mix of social events, cultural outings, hobby or craft sessions, and physical activities. Tip 10. Check for transportation services. Some clubs offer transportation services for senior members. If traveling to and from the club might be challenging for you, check if such services are available. Tip 11. Consider the reputation. Before making a final decision, it would be wise to research the club's reputation. Look at reviews or ask local community members for their opinion. A club with a solid reputation will be able to better guarantee a positive experience.